Welcome to a short tutorial on how to upgrade your plan from the free plan. On your dashboard, press your profile name, and then press Plan. Here, you'll be able to see what plan you're currently on. On the free plan, you can create one direct WhatsApp link, and also one VVI page to try out our services. Press on Upgrade Plan, and you'll be brought to the section where you can see the different types of plans we have available. There's the free plan, the direct link plan, and there's the VVI page plan, that comes with a direct link plan. You can choose the plans, or you can choose a 7-day free trial on the VVI page plan. There's also monthly, annual, and for a limited time, a lifetime plan. You're welcome to try the 7-day free trial on the VVI page by clicking here, and click on Start My 7-Day Free Trial. And that's it. Try out all the features. We're sure you'll be satisfied and get your business booming with WhatsApp messages. vvhats.app, your link to the world.